Ever since Samsung dropped its first foldable smartphones, there's been a ton of buzz about them possibly launching some more affordable options once the tech and parts got a bit cheaper. Well, while we're still waiting on that, it seems like it could be happening sooner than we think. Recently, during a chat with investors and journalists about their earnings, some Samsung executives hinted at their plans to make foldable phones more accessible for everyone. They mentioned that folks who bought the Galaxy Z Flip and Z Fold have been super happy with their purchases. So, while Samsung hasn't given us a specific timeline for those budget-friendly foldables, there's chatter that they might drop a Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE. Exciting, right? But wait, there's more. One Samsung exec shared that they're committed to making the Galaxy Z Fold series lighter and slimmer with even better cameras. And for the Galaxy Z Flip series, expect a fresh, premium cover screen design that really stands out. Display expert Ross Young recently shared some juicy details about an upcoming Galaxy Foldable, which he's calling the Galaxy Z Flip 7 Fan Edition. According to Young, this much-anticipated clamshell model will be launching in 2025, though we don't know the exact date just yet. In follow-up comments, he mentioned that the FE model will have the same display as the Galaxy Z Flip 7, its bigger sibling, but with some key differences under the hood. It seems like the FE version will come with a different set of cameras and processors. The Z Flip 7 is expected to pack the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, but the FE model might feature Samsung's own Exynos 2400 chipset. This was used in some of the Galaxy S24 phones in regions like Europe and India, and since Samsung tends to lean toward Exynos for its Fan Edition series, likely to keep costs down, this makes sense. So, while we don't have all the details just yet, the fact that this FE clamshell is in the works is already pretty exciting. It could finally make foldable phones more accessible to a wider crowd. So, what do you think? What are you hoping to see from Samsung's upcoming foldables? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, take care.